Hey Divi Nation, welcome to this next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away a brand new free Divi layout pack to help you get a fully designed website up and running in just a few minutes. And today we're excited to give away a brand new layout pack, the CafeLayout pack, which is going to be perfect for all those coffee shops out there. We think you'll enjoy it. Let's take a look. This completely original CafeLayout pack comes straight from our design team to bring you world-class designs and page layouts that will definitely help you get the cafe or coffee shop website you deserve. The pack includes 6 pre-made page layouts which are strategically designed for a cafe website, including a dedicated menu page, a location page, and more. This layout pack is available right now as the latest addition to our growing Divi library of over 200 pre-made layout packs. So don't forget to check the description below to check those out as well. All right, now join me in this next part of the video where I show you how you can use this new cafe layout pack on your own website. All right, so to make sure you have access to all of our free layout packs, including the cafe layout pack, you'll want to make sure and authenticate your Elegant Themes subscription, which you can do by going to Divi Theme Options. Click the Updates tab and enter your username and API key and click Save Changes. Then you'll have access to all of our pre-made layouts without any problems. And once that's done, we're ready to add our new pages and then add each of those corresponding pre-made layouts to those pages. Let's get started by adding a new page by going to Pages, Add New. Give your page a title and then click to use the Divi Builder. Choose a pre-made layout, and from the Load from Library pop-up, go ahead and search and find the new Cafe Layout pack and select it. You'll see a preview of all the different layouts included in the pack on the right. We want to select the home page for this one, and when you're ready, go ahead and click Use this layout. Once the layout has been loaded to the page, don't forget to save and publish it. And you'll want to continue the same process to create all of your pages and add each of those corresponding pre-made layouts to those pages as well. Once you're done with that, you're ready for the next step, which is to create a new menu for your website. To do that, go over to Appearance, Menus, give your menu a name, and then click Create Menu. On the left, go ahead and add all of those pages to your menu. Under the menu structure area, you can organize them however you like. And don't forget to set the display location as primary menu and then click Save Menu. Once that's done, you're ready for the final step, which is to add a static homepage for your website. To do that, go over to Settings, Reading. Under your homepage displays, select a static page. And then for the homepage, select the homepage that we created and then click Save Changes. Now your new website is up and running with the new Cafe Layout pack. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to our blog newsletter, our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. That way you can get a notification every single time we have something new for you. Thanks again for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.